Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and assign a task in ClickUp. So I'll first go ahead and create a task. So here, click on Add Task. We'll name it Task 7, for example, right? So there we go. This new task has been created, and to assign someone, it's very easy. You just come here and click on this plus icon under Assignee. Choose the person you want to assign to. Let's say I want to assign it to myself or this person right here, Pioneer. There we go. It has been assigned. Or you can do this from the board view. You can add a task. Let's say record videos, right? Add your assignee right here. So you choose that person. I'll assign myself, choose the dates, priority, and then just go ahead and save. There you go. So I've assigned myself right here. Okay. And on this one, I assigned Pioneer. And it's really that easy and simple.